Hook, did you know that more than 1.5 billion soft drinks are consumed every day around the world? It's mind-blowing, right? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of bottling soft drinks. Let's take a look at how they are bottled and the incredible process that makes it all happen. Introduction. Welcome to our factory tour. Today, we're going behind the scenes to explore the intricate process of bottling soft drinks. Get ready to see how your favorite fizzy beverages are made. We'll walk you through every step and show you what it takes to bring that refreshing drink from the factory to your hands. Presentation of problem, challenge. Now, with the rising demand for soft drinks, manufacturers face some real challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is ensuring both quality and efficiency in the bottling process. It's not just about filling up bottles, safety standards are super important too. With so many bottles to produce and a desire to keep everything safe and delicious, finding that perfect balance can be tough. Companies need to keep up with the demand while making sure that every bottle meets the highest quality standards. It's a tall order, but the industry has some pretty clever ways to tackle these challenges. Exploration, development. Alright, let's get into the nitty-gritty of the bottling process. First up, we have the preparation of ingredients. This is where the magic begins. The right mix of water, sugar, flavorings, and carbonation is carefully measured out to create the delicious soda we all love. Once everything is prepped, it moves on to the filling stage. Here, bottles are lined up on the bottling line, and this is where things start to get exciting. As the bottles make their way down the line, they are filled with that perfect fizzy concoction. It's all about precision here. Too much or too little, and the drink just won't be the same. After filling, each bottle gets capped to keep that carbonation trapped inside. But we're not done yet. The bottles then go through a labeling process where they get their flashy designs. Finally, they're packaged up and ready for distribution. It's a well-oiled machine, and it's amazing to see how everything works in harmony, ensuring that you get the best drink possible. Climax, key moment. Now, here comes the highlight of our tour. Get ready to witness the high-speed bottling line in action. This part is incredible. Picture this. Hundreds of bottles are filled, capped, and sealed every single minute. The sheer speed and efficiency are jaw-dropping. It's all thanks to advanced technology and an amazing team working seamlessly together. You can really feel the energy in the factory as everyone focuses on their role in this massive operation. It's a perfect example of how human skill and technology come together to produce something we all enjoy. Conclusion, summary. So, to wrap it all up, bottling soft drinks involves a complex yet fascinating series of steps. From the careful preparation of ingredients to the high-speed filling and packaging, each bottle is perfectly made for you to enjoy. It's incredible to think about all the work that goes into that refreshing drink you grab from the fridge. Call to action, CTA. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at bottling soft drinks, be sure to check out our video on how soda flavors are created. And we'd love to hear your thoughts. Let us know in the comments what your favorite soft drink is and if you'd like to see more factory tours like this one. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.